Hello students, I hope all of you are fit and healthy and you have started watching again the video. It means that you are interested in the videos and you are understanding a lot and you are a part of the channel. As you are very intelligent, you have subscribed to the channel and you are pressing the like button. You are sharing the videos with your friends. And all of you don't forget to write in the remarks that what do you want, what you have learned and so many other things, and even the homeworks which I provide in the videos. I hope all of you are doing. I have not received the answers in my previous video. So I want from you answers of the questions of my previous video and this video also. Now these questions which I am taking up, some of them are from your NCERT book. Some of the problems I take from R.S. Agarwal and some from R.D. Sharma. So it's a mix of all these three books. So I hope all of you are getting the things which ma'am is explaining. So let's go over to conversion of the fractions to decimals. Means we are going to convert the fractions into decimals. So for this, ma'am has taken some problems and I hope all of you have liked my previous video in which I had promised to convert the fractions into decimals. In my previous videos, I have explained you what are decimals, how to represent the decimal numbers or how to write down and how to name them, then how to convert the decimal into fraction. Now let's convert the fraction into decimal. So stay tuned till the end. As promised, I'll give you some homework also, and in the remarks you can put the answers, and don't forget to share the videos with your cousins, with your friends, and press the like button if you like the video. And I hope all of you have subscribed to the video and you are a part of this learning. So let's go over to today's video. In this we have got first question is 9 by 10. So what we will do, as we always do in a common division, we will divide the numerator by the denominator. But in this case, denominator is bigger than the numerator. So what we will do, just like that we will write it like this. Now what we will do, because the numerator is smaller or dividend is smaller and divisor is bigger. So what we have to do is we have to put a decimal point and put some 0 after that. So the rule is we can put a decimal here, and if we put a decimal here we will have to put the decimal here also in the quotient. So after that we can put a 0 here. So 10, 9 times we can get 90, like the common division we do. We will do it and we will do this till we get a remainder of 0. So in this case itself you can see we have got a remainder of 0. So 9 divided by 10, it will be equal to 0.9. Hope all of you have understood this step. Now let's go to the next question, which is actually a combination of addition and divisions. So 20 plus 9 plus 4 by 10 plus 1 by 100. Now this can be called as 4 by 10th and this as 1 by 100th. That is the naming which I have already taught you. So we will first do 20 plus 9, that will become 29, and this one we can write as 4 by 10, which is same as 4 by 10, and this one we can write as, this is already 1 by 100, so no need to write it in this form. So we will write it as 1 by 100. Now next, it will become 29 plus 4 into 1 by 10 can be written as, it becomes 0.1. So we can write it as 4 into 0.1 plus it will become 0.01. I hope you are understanding, because once you remove this decimal, you will get 1 by 100 as I have told you in my previous video. So it will become 29 Let me remove this part, then only I think you'll be able to understand. So let's do this. It will become 29 plus 0.4 plus 0.01. So when you add it up, it will be 29.41. So this will be your answer. So I hope you have understood this problem. Okay, now let's go to the next problem. So our next problem is 7 by 10 or 7/10 plus 6 by 100 or 600 plus 4 by 1000, that is 4 thousandths. Now how to do it? We will do it like we did in this sum also. We will have 7 into 1 by 10 plus 6 into 1 by 100 plus 4 into 1 by 1000. So I hope you have understood this. In the same manner we will proceed here. So let's do this after rubbing some parts. So let's proceed. It will be 7 into 1 by 10 means 7 into 0.1 plus it will be 6 into 0.01 plus we will have 4 into 0.001 by this. I hope you have understood, because we know that when we convert this into decimal it will become 0.001. So we will get here the decimal number will be 7 into 0.1 means 0.7 plus 6 into 0.01, it will become 0.06 plus 4 into 0.001, it will be 0.004. Now we will add this up and our answer will be 0.764. This is your answer. So I hope you have understood till here. Now we will do the fourth sum. Students, let's do the fourth question which we are having here now, and it's little bit tricky. So stay tuned till the end, because I'll tell you two methods here and then I will be giving you the homework. So let's do this fourth question. Now in this fourth question we have got a mixed fraction, and you have already seen my video of mixed fractions. So I hope all of you know how to do this. So let's go to the question. Question is 5/17 by 50. That is a mixed fraction. So generally what we do, we will do it like this: 5 into 50 plus 17 by 50 at the bottom. Now what we can do, at this place itself we can divide it into two types, that is 5 into 50 by 50 plus 17 by 50. This will make it simpler. So you can cut it like this. So we have 5 plus 17 by 50. Okay students. So what we will do, we will divide this 17 with 50, and 50 is a bigger number. That is, mind it that denominator is having a bigger number than the numerator. So how to do this division? So let's go over to this division. So we will take it like this: dividend, divisor, and then as by 50 we cannot divide 17 like that. So we will have to put a decimal number, decimal point here, and another decimal point here, and a 0 here. So 5 2 times, it will be less. 5 3 times we can take, we will get 150. So it will come like this. Now one more 0 if I put here, because decimal is here. So one more 0 if I put here, I will have to put 1 0 here. To get a 0 here, I have put 1 0 here. You remember that? To get a 0 in the remainder, I have put a 0 here. And why I want a 0 here? Because 20 is lesser than 50. So 4 times it will come as 200. So remainder will be over, that is there is 0 obtained. So I got this as 5 plus 0.34, that is equal to 5.34. Got it? So like that I can get an answer in a very easy manner. There is another method. If I would not have distributed this 50 into these two parts, then it would have become a little bit lengthier. But I'll show you that also. But this is an easy method. You can do this so that you can complete your question faster. So let me do that method also. As promised, you can do this question in another manner also. So let me show you that. You can do it as 5 into 50 plus, you can put this 17 divided by 50. As you know how to convert the mixed fraction into a proper fraction. So next you can do 250 plus 17 by 50. Got it? And then if you add this, you will get 267 by 50. Now again it's a bigger number, directly you can divide it and let's see what will happen. So this will become little bit difficult for you, or rather we can say lengthy for you. So we can directly divide like this. Now let's see 5 times 250. So I've got 67 here. Okay. So sorry, I've got here 17. Now 17 is a smaller number. 17 which is obtained by me is a smaller number as compared to 50. So I'll have to put a 0 here. For putting a 0 here, one decimal will be required. Decimal will be put here and it will be put in the dividend as well as the quotient. So 3 times it will become 150. Now 0 is to be put here also, when 0 is put here, and another 0 here, because in the remainder I again need a 0 as 20 is lesser than 50. So I will have like this. Now remainder is 0. So my answer is 5.34. So directly by dividing like this also we can get. But the other method which I told you, where I was getting 5 plus 0.34, that was a little bit easier method. So like that also you can do, or you can do it like this directly by dividing. So I hope today you have understood what are the methods which we can follow to convert the decimals to convert fractions to decimals. Decimals to fractions we have already done in our previous video. Here we are converting the fractions to decimals. Now it's time for the homework as promised by me. So I will give you again only 2 problems. So let me take the problems from some book. So I am having one book here. So let me give you a problem from this book. So the problem is, first question of homework, you will do 137 plus 5 by 100. That is your first question of homework. And second question of homework will be, you can do 23 plus 2 by 10 plus 6 by 1000. So first homework question is 137 plus 5 by 100. And second homework question is 23 plus 2 by 10 plus 6 by 1000. So I hope by seeing today's video the concepts are clear to you. You will be able to do the problems very easily. We are dividing the fractions to decimals. So thank you for staying tuned till the end. If you have not subscribed, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Bye.